ISO 9001 comprises a set of quality management system standards that help businesses meet customer requirements and enhance customer satisfaction. At its core, a quality management system follows a process approach. The ISO 9001 standard utilizes 5 key process checkpoints in their quality management system. The first checkpoint is the sources of inputs. These are our processes, policies, and procedures, training documents, and resources at hand. Our customers and suppliers are also sources of inputs. Second is inputs. Inputs are resources used or needed to execute a process or a step in a process. For example, our raw materials such as the polyurethane and aluminum required to make our products are inputs. Inputs can also be resources such as people, energy, or information. The third process checkpoint is activities. Activities are the actions you perform during the process. This would be manufacturing actions such as extrusion, welding, machine work, and other production tasks that go into transforming raw materials into our products. The fourth checkpoint is outputs. These are the results of our process. If the raw materials were the input, timing belts, pulleys, and other finished products are the output. But outputs just don't apply to manufacturing. Anything produced by our process is considered an output. The fifth checkpoint is receivers of outputs. This represents where our outputs are going. In our case, physical materials go to our customers and distributors. But outputs are also decisions, results, and improvements derived from what we learn throughout these processes. When we closely examine these processes, we can get a better picture of which processes are key processes, which have priority over others, and which create a direct impact on our customers. BRECOflex has a lot of processes. To keep track of their progress and success, they are assigned to a process owner. In most cases, this is a department manager. Processes are currently audited and evaluated for improvement as part of the quality management system, which is the basis of our ISO 9001 requirements. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our QMS engineer or our ISO coordinator. Thanks for watching.